Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to auto-wrap text in Microsoft Excel. First, I want to show you manually wrap text. For that, select the cells, then go to the Home tab, and click Wrap Text in the alignment group. But in auto-wrap, we need to use the VBA codes. Now follow my steps to add the VBA codes. Just right-click here, select View Code. Here we need to change General to Worksheet. Now copy and paste code here. This code is in my description box. Now close both the windows. Then save as the Excel file to .xlsm file. So every time, you no need to add the code. That's it. Very simple and very easy.
Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.